Hello and welcome. We are going to do a model of the top plate that we have been building in the past tutorials. For this example, we'll use the line command to create the 2D geometry to extract the 3D object from this area. So we go to the line tool, and then we're going to start with the dimensions of our plate. The first one we're going to go 1.5, then we're going to go downward 0.125. Then we're going to go over a distance of 2.25, then go back 0.125, then over 1.5, then we're going to go up 0.5, and then over a distance of 1.75, then downward a distance of 0.125, and over 1.75, and upwards 0.125, over 1.75, and then C for closing. So this is the geometry necessary for our base plate. Other dimensions are given to you in another section, and you should be able to print them to have them with you, or take annotations on a separate piece of paper, or do a sketch first. Now, to extract the 3D solid from this area, the easiest way to do it will be to convert it into a polyline to have a boundary set for this area. So what we're going to do, we're going to change that one into a region, and we're going to convert all these lines into a region by going to the draw command right here, and then drop down, and there is our region. Once the region is created, we can go to our different view, southeast isometric, and there is our view. Now we can use the extrude command, which is on the upper left. Select that one, select the region that we're going to be extruding, and we're going to give it a distance. And the distance for that one is 3.25. And if we change our view style to conceptual, you can see that we have created a solid. Now we need to add our fillets, and to add a fillet we can do it on the 3D solid view, isometric. Then we need a radius, R for radius, and the radius is going to be 0.5, and then we're going to go multiple because we're going to choose different corners. So we choose this corner right here, and then enter, and then the next corner, and repeat, enter, and do the same thing on this area. For this one, we're probably going to turn it around, rotate it, and then repeat it. So there is our fillet and our solid. Now we need to add the holes that go right here for our upper support to fit. So to do that one, we're going to choose the center diameter. We're going to make sure that our dynamic UCS is on, and then we hover over the surface that we're going to put it in, and we can click on the center of that circle, and then we're going to give the diameter 0.375. We're going to repeat the command on each of the corners. This one. There it is. And repeat the command on this corner. Make sure that the face is selected, and there it is. Now we can use the extrude and select all these circles and extrude them down, and then we're going to go downward. It doesn't matter the distance you go, because we're going to use the Boolean operation to subtract right here, and select the main body that we need to subtract from, and now we select the areas that we want to take away from that body, and then enter, and there it is. And this is all that's needed for our base for the support, and this is how it's done on AutoCAD. And thank you very much, and we'll go for the next part on the next video.